Kita bersinar, BDT buka mata dunia, Sabah dan Indo satu frekuensi sama irama silaturahmi lewat video kita terus maju. BDT Channel, reaksi bikin bersatu. Assalamualaikum guys, kumaha damang sampurasun sarang wilujeng sumping ke channel abdi. Saya BDT dari Borneo, Sabah akan menemani kawan-kawan dalam episode reaction kali ini. Nah guys, hari ini kita akan nonton video ini. Apakah di Indonesia itu ada sifat perkauman guys? Ini adalah perkongsian atau pengalaman jujur bule tentang hal ini guys. Resis di Indonesia. Adakah resis di Indonesia? Jadi kita akan nonton video ini. Ojo lali guys, di subscribe channelku. Jangan lupa klik like, comment, dan share. Moga-moga kawan-kawan yang menonton ini berada dalam keadaan yang sehat, dimurahkan rezeki, dipermudahkan juga segala urusan dunia dan akhirat. Dan tanpa buang-buang waktu, mari kita dengar bareng apa pendapat bule ini. 1, 2.
So when a lot of people start to consider moving abroad, especially people of color, their first question when looking at different countries is this country racist? Or do they like black people? Or do they like insert this race? And within my first few months in Indonesia, I didn't really have much complaints about racism because, of course, I would get the normal stares here and there. But the past few weeks have been a bit intense. I'm planning to move out of my apartment that I'm in right now. I've just had a lot of issues where the maintenance has not helped me. Like, I didn't have hot water. Every issue that I've had has not really been met with the urgency that I've wanted. So obviously, before moving abroad, I was not able to firsthand visit apartments and pick them out myself. My job went out of their way to survey different apartments, compile a long list of which ones that I might like, and I went through those options and chose which one would fit me best. Which I made the executive decision, letting my job know that I do not want to stay here.
Oke guys, jadi bule nih dia baru dia pindah ke Indonesia dan dia memang selalu dia dapat pandangan dari masyarakat lah kalau dia kemana-mana, tapi dia berencana untuk pindah daripada apartemen dia ini sebab dia sudah pindah ke Indonesia dan beberapa minggu terakhir ini sangat intens untuk bule ini tinggal di apartemen ini karena maintenance dia dan juga persekitaran dan juga hal-hal kerja lah gitu.
My contract states that if I choose to move out of the apartment that they helped me select, I have to do the search on my own. And I thought the process would be very simpler and similar to America, where you just look up the local places in the neighborhood and reach out to see if they have any open units and then tour. But it's been the complete opposite. It's been extremely excruciating for me. I'm realizing that a lot of owners are racist and discriminatory as fuck. So there was one specific apartment that I was sent before I moved to Indonesia, and obviously I said no because I chose this place. And since I'm looking for a new place, I was like, okay, let me just check out the other apartments that I was offered before I came here. So I reached out to the leasing agent that my job put me in contact with, and this woman was extremely racist. She told me that I could tour the apartment. Then the day of, she told me that there are no longer any apartments in the building. It is like 3 different buildings, and you're telling me there's not a single one open. And that she could show me apartments in a separate apartment building, which is the one I already live in, because the owner does not rent out to foreigners. So basically the agent that I spoke with, she would not let me tour the apartment because I was a foreigner.
Oke, jadi dia mau pindah daripada apartemen nih, tapi dia dapati bahwa ada racism di sana guys, di mana ada owner daripada 3 apartemen yang dia mau cari sendiri lah apartemen ini kan. Tapi owner itu bilang satu pun tiada apartemen yang kosong dan owner ini ada 3 bangunan guys. Jadi satu pun tiada yang kosong dia bilang. Jadi dia dapati itu sangat menjengkelkan dan tidak convenient untuk dia lah. Dan ini hal yang buat dia rasa tidak puas hati lah begitu.
And I'm aware that in Indonesia, a lot of people, specifically if you want to start a business or do certain things, they're quite wary to work with foreigners, and it's more reliable to work with an Indonesian. Basically, the woman said that the owner doesn't want any foreigners in the building at all. And I was very confused by that because, like I said, I was offered a space in this apartment before I came. It wasn't until I spoke to someone that works with the same company as me. She's a white woman, and she's also from America, and she lives in that building. So that's when I knew that it was definitely an issue of racism rather.
Oh, jadi alasan owner bangunan tersebut bilang mula-mula dia tidak mau sewakan apartemen dia kepada warga asing gitu ataupun dari luar lah. Tetapi di tempat yang bule berkulit hitam nih kerja, dia ada satu lagi kawan yang berkulit putih lah, sama juga daripada US. Dia bilang dia tinggal di apartemen yang sama. Jadi di sanalah yang dia tahu bahwa owner itu resis terhadap warna kulit gitu.
Than me being a foreigner. So the white woman that I spoke to who lives in that building, her name is Jules, and when I told her about the situation, she was able to reach out to another agent in that building, and they were able to help me like right away. Wanted to give me the tours, wanted to help me out. But when I spoke to the other agent, she said that no foreigners are allowed. The owner doesn't want any foreigners living there. So it was very strange to me that I'm being told by one agent that foreigners are not allowed to live there. There are no apartments at all left in the building, and there's just a strict rule on foreigners living there. And another woman, who is a white woman, who lives there, who is a foreigner, who is from the same country as me, is talking to a separate agent. They're saying that I can live there, that they have multiple options for me to tour. So
Wow.
I actually brought this up to my boss at work, and she told me that the buildings have a history of issues with African people in the past. So the owner was very wary to rent out apartments to black people.
Oh, jadi di masa sebelumnya nih, waktu dulu bangunan yang ataupun apartemen yang mau disewakan itu ada masalah dengan orang berkulit hitam, guys. Jadi mungkin itulah sebab kenapa dia punya owner tidak mau sewakan kepada dia, sebab dia juga berkulit hitam kan, dan ini buat dia rasa begitu sedih lah gitu, guys.
So I got literal confirmation that I was denied entry for an apartment because I am black. And I am of African descent. Obviously, I don't want this to strongly impact anybody's decision if they plan to move to Indonesia. I do want everyone, especially people of color, to make an educated decision. And of course, consider having an Indonesian agent help you look for an apartment, or else you will be limited to options that are super unfair. In America, you could easily file a housing discrimination case in a situation like this, whereas in Indonesia, this is just the norm.
Okay, something's comment a lot. A lot of you guys are wondering why I chose to move to Indonesia. So I knew I always wanted to move abroad. I never got the chance to study abroad because COVID happened. Right before I graduated from university, I was looking for programs for me to be able to move abroad. And Indonesia was always my top country. I was super intrigued by the culture, and I really found the nation to be so beautiful. Of course, everybody knows about Bali, but there are also other places that I just found so gorgeous in Indonesia, and I knew I just had to visit. A lot of my studies in college revolved around race relations in different nations. I was super interested in the Papuans, particularly because I never knew that there were like black people in Asia. And they weren't brought over through slavery either. Those are indigenous black people that live in Asia. And the fact that they had their own Black Lives Matter movement was something that was very moving to me as well. So I got my certificate to teach English abroad, and from there I was able to apply to about 100 countries that I wanted to. And I was looking through the countries that had the best job offers. After comparing the job offers that I got, I realized that Indonesia had the best job offer for me. The school in Indonesia that I worked for paid for my visa, they paid for my flight, paid for my apartment, and they paid for my insurance. Everything was pretty much taken care of. Some of the other countries I applied to just weren't bringing as much to the table. They weren't paying for my flight, or I had to pay for my apartment, things of that sort. So yeah, feel free to drop any other questions you guys want me to answer.
Oke guys, jadi demikian dia punya perkongsian tentang racism di Indonesia gitu. Itu yang dia rasakan, pengalaman jujur dia guys. Tapi apapun, beside hal itulah, Indonesia tetap menjadi negara pilihan dia guys. Dari dulu lagi dia sudah memang mau ke Indonesia karena dia tahu budaya dan culture di Indonesia itu luar biasa. Dan satu lagi yang menarik perhatian dia adalah orang-orang Papua guys. Dia tidak pernah tahu yang ada orang berkulit gelap juga di Asia. Dan inilah yang bikin dia rasa penasaran dan mau datang ke Indonesia. Selain itu, fasilitas dan kemudahan yang disediakan oleh pihak sekolah yang tempat dia mengajar itu menyediakan semua untuk dia. Jadi ini cukup convenient ataupun cukup memberi manfaat kepada dia lah gitu. Tapi apapun itu hanyalah sedikit cerita daripada bule ini guys. Semoga video yang saya bawakan ini bisa memberi kita semua inspirasi untuk menjadi yang lebih baik dan moga-moga menghibur kawan-kawan semua. Pendapat kalian bagaimana guys? Apakah orang Indonesia itu resis kepada orang lain? Komen di ruang komentar di bawah. Penasaran mau tahu pendapat kalian. Oke guys, sampai ketemu di episode akan datang. Terima kasih karena nonton. Salam santun, damai dan salam silaturahmi. Assalamualaikum. Salam Nusantara, good people. Yo teman-teman, ojo lali di subscribe yo channelku.